morning, everyone. It is Tuesday and I am here to show you what I'm having for breakfast. I also just got done filming a grocery haul video, but that one's going to be up before this one. So yeah, I am going to flip the camera around and let you know what's for breakfast. So this is the breakfast sandwich I just made. I used 2 slices of this bread. It is 2 slices for 3 points. I used 1 slice of this Deli Deluxe 2% American cheese, which is 2 points. I used 1 point worth of this whipped butter, which is half a tablespoon. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I used 1 slice of this, which is 0 points. And then 1 egg, which is 2 points. So altogether for this breakfast sandwich, it is 8 points. And then I will show you guys my coffee when it's done. Okay, so I figured I would show you how I make my coffee. I use this sugar-free Torani syrup. And I usually use, I don't really measure it, but just for the purpose of this video, I will measure it. So this is a half tablespoon. I'm pretty sure I usually use 1 tablespoon. Okay, and of course this sugar-free syrup is 0 points. Next, I'm going to use, I don't want to spill it because it's brand new, this original Coffee Mate creamer, which is 1 tablespoon for 1 point. Be right back. I'm going to grab a tablespoon. Okay. See, it already has a pretty good color to it right now. But I like to go ahead and add this Kirkland unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I don't add enough to count a point for, so I just kind of add it until the cup is full. I did measure this before, and I think it was about half a cup or a third of a cup that I added. So that's it, and altogether this is a 1 Smart Point coffee in addition to my breakfast sandwich, which is 8. So altogether for breakfast is 9, and I have 21 points left for the day. For lunch, I'm having one of these Amy's organic bean and rice burritos. They're pretty good, and I got these at Costco. I don't remember how much they were. I think like $9 or something. They are 9 Smart Points, which is pretty good, and then I'll probably have a little bit of light sour cream with it. So after this, I will have, let's see, 17. I can't do math right now. I used 9 for breakfast, and then this is 9 for lunch. So I'll have 12 points left for dinner. Maybe 10 because of the sour cream. Okay, so here it is. I microwaved it according to what the package said, and then I threw it in a pan. And I added 1 tablespoon of the light Daisy sour cream for 1 point. So altogether, this is a 10-point lunch. I had 9 points for breakfast, so I have 11 points left for dinner. Dinner came to 14 Smart Points. I had 1 cup of Caesar salad for 2 points. I had I think 26 of the shoestring fries from Target, which was 3 points. I had 1 rainbow hamburger bun, which is 3 points. A hamburger patty was 4 ounces, which is 4 Smart Points. And then 1 slice of the Kraft reduced fat Deli Deluxe cheese, which is 2 points. Plus lettuce, tomato, and onion and mustard for 0. So altogether, this was 14 points, putting me at 33 out of 30 for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Morning. It is now Wednesday, and I'm just making breakfast, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm having. So here's my egg. I just broke the yolk, and then I'm using 1 point worth of this butter when I grill the bread. I'm using 0 points worth of ham, this Nature's Own butter bread, 2 slices for 3 points, and 2 points for 1 slice of this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my egg is done cooking. I cooked up the piece of ham, and then I put a little bit of the butter in the bottom of the pan. I put the bread down, the cheese down, and then I'm just going to take the egg and put it right there. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. Pretty much make it like a grilled cheese, and then I'll just put the other piece of bread on top, and I will flip it. Okay, so real quick, I'll show you again how I make my coffee. First, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free Torani English toffee. Actually, no, that's going to be last. First, I'm going to do the tablespoon of this. Then I won't have to grab another tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon of this Coffee Mate powder creamer. Which is 1 Smart Point. And then 1 tablespoon of this Torani sugar-free English toffee. Yesterday, the half a tablespoon wasn't quite enough. Give it a stir. And then I think I'm going to use whatever is left in here because it's almost empty. So this is the unsweetened vanilla almond milk from Costco. And like I said, if you use less than 3/4 of a cup, it's still 0. I think it's 0. I'll double check and then I will let you know. But I know that the amount I used is not enough to count 1.4. Okay, so I just checked and you can have up to half a cup for 0. As soon as you get to 5/8 of a cup, it goes up to 1 point. So I'm going to count the amount I used as 0, 0, and then 1 point for that. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye. Okay, so somehow there was only half of a hamburger patty left, and I decided I would chop it up into small pieces and then make it fit on the whole bun. So I have 2 ounces of lean beef, which is 2 points, a bun for 3 points, and the American cheese, which is 2 points. So all together for the burger, it is 7 points. I have lettuce, onion, tomato, and mustard, plus some pickles for 0. And then this bag of kettle cooked original Lay's, which is 4 points. So I have 11 points left for dinner. So it's the afternoon now, and I just wanted to let you guys know that earlier I had 1 banana with a little bit less than like a teaspoon of peanut butter on it. And so that was 1 Smart Point. And then dinner is going to be tacos. So I'm about to turn the camera around and show you what I make. Okay, so these are the tortillas I'll make for everyone else. And then these are the ones I like to make for myself. They're 1 Smart Point each. We usually don't buy the king size of these, but these are 2 points for 1 or 5 points for 2. That's a big difference. If I have 2 of these, it's only 2 points. And then I'm using this Jennie-O ground turkey. It is 1 point per ounce. I'm planning to have no more than 3 ounces, but I'm only having 2 tacos, so I'm thinking probably 1 ounce per taco. So 2 points here, 2 points of ground turkey. I already pre-measured and weighed how much sour cream I'm going to have. This is 24 grams of Daisy Light Sour Cream, which is 1 Smart Point. And then this is 14 grams of 2% cheddar for 1 Smart Point. So 2, 4, 5, 6. I made this homemade salsa earlier today. 0 points. It's just onion, tomato, cilantro, a little bit of garlic, and salt. And then I have shredded lettuce, and I'm going to have 11 of these chips for 3 Smart Points. So I'm going to get to cooking, and then I will put in a picture at the end and let you guys know exactly what I ended up having. But it should be around 10 points total for my dinner.